Yesterday was a rainy day and today is extremely hot, extremely sunny outside. Yes, it's that right. So it's very hot outside, but I have to go out in my department to attend the Iftar party. So people will break their fast at around like 6:50 p.m. It's 4:53. So I'm going now because I have to see what's going on there. Though I have to change this shirt because I need to wear a Punjabi. That's the tradition. Yeah. Do I look good or what? I think I look good. What do you think? But the weather is not in our favor. Let's go out. So we are packaging the food. Packaging is pretty much done. So now we are sending the food upstairs.
আমরা মেলা কাজ করেছি, প্রচন্ড ব্যস্ত ভাইয়া, খুব ব্যস্ত, আমরা খুব ব্যস্ত, একদম এই যে মাথার চেহারা দেখে কি মনে হচ্ছে একদম এক্সস্টেড।
কি করছেন? Going to the room where the food will be delivered. অবশ্যই।
এই ভিডিও হচ্ছে কেন? না কিছু বলবা?
It was a good Iftar Mahfil and the day went well, and after the Iftar Mahfil we went to do some shopping for the Eid. Not for me, for my friends, because I don't like to shoppings. That's just me. Anyway guys, it was a good day and now I have to do a little bit of study because tomorrow at 9 a.m. I have a class test, so I need to attend that. That will be very hard for me because if you guys don't know, I'm not a morning person. I can stay awake at the night as long as you want, but not at the morning, not at the time period between 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. something like that. Anyway guys, it was a great day and that's it for today. Subscribe down below, hit the like button, share this video with your friends. Anyway guys, see you in the next one. Bye.